Hey everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, where we cover the latest news and updates in the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're talking about Bittrex, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and the potential legal action it may face from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. On July 7, 2021, the SEC notified Bittrex that it was considering taking enforcement action against the company for allegedly allowing unregistered securities. The matter. This is not the first time Bittrex has faced regulatory issues. In 2019, the New York State Department of Finance cited concerns about Bittrex's compliance with Anti-Money Laundering, AML and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. Bittrex is not the only cryptocurrency exchange to face legal issues. SEC. In 2020, the SEC sued Ripple Labs, the company behind the unregistered securities offering. The SEC's scrutiny of Bittrex and other cryptocurrency exchanges is a sign of the increasing cryptocurrency industry. While some see regulation as necessary for the industry to mature and gain mainstream acceptance, others argue that overregulation could stifle innovation and growth. It's important for investors to stay informed about the regulatory landscape of the cryptocurrency industry and to choose exchanges that are transparent and compliant with regulations. Bittrex has stated that it has fully cooperated with the SEC in response to the Wells notice and is committed to operating in compliance with all regulatory requirements. As the case develops, it remains to be seen how the SEC will proceed in regards to Bittrex and other exchanges operating in the United States. This is not the first time that the SEC has taken action against cryptocurrency exchanges for operating without the proper regulatory licenses. In 2019, the SEC sued Kick Interactive for conducting an unregistered securities offering of digital tokens. The case ended with Kick paying a $5 million penalty to the SEC. The SEC has also taken action against other major cryptocurrency companies, including Ripple Labs, which is currently in a legal battle with the SEC over token as an unregistered security. Bittrex is facing potential legal action from the SEC over allegations that it has been operating without the necessary regulatory licenses. This is not the first time that the SEC has taken action against cryptocurrency companies for operating without proper licenses, and it is likely that regulatory scrutiny in the industry will continue to increase. As the case develops, it will be interesting to see how the SEC proceeds and how Bittrex responds to the allegations. It is important for all companies operating in the cryptocurrency industry to stay up to date with regulatory requirements and to work proactively with regulators to ensure compliance. As a response to the allegations against them, Bittrex released a statement saying that they were fully committed to complying with all applicable laws and regulations, including those set forth by the SEC. They further explained that they had made efforts to enhance their compliance program and improve the overall quality of their operations. Regardless of one's opinion on the SEC's regulatory efforts, it is clear that compliance is becoming an increasingly important issue for cryptocurrency exchanges and other businesses operating in the industry. As more and more governments and regulatory bodies seek to impose stricter rules and regulations, it is likely that compliance will continue to be a key concern for those involved in the industry. In conclusion, cryptocurrency industry. As the industry continues to evolve and mature, it is likely that regulators will become increasingly strict in their enforcement of the rules and regulations that govern it. As such, it is crucial for cryptocurrency businesses to ensure that they are fully compliant. The SEC's investigation into Bittrex reportedly began in 2019, and the agency has since sent a number of letters to the exchange requesting information about its listing procedures and the coins that were listed on its platform. In response, Bittrex has argued that it took appropriate measures to vet the coins before listing them and that it has always been committed to complying with all relevant regulations. Despite Bittrex's claims, the SEC legal action against the exchange. In a recent letter sent to Bittrex's legal team, the agency warned that it may take enforcement action against the exchange if it does not cooperate with its investigation. The news of the SEC's investigation has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency industry, with many experts warning that it could have far-reaching implications for other exchanges. If Bittrex is found to have allowed unregistered securities to be traded on its platform, other exchanges could be at risk of facing similar legal action. At the same time, however, some experts have manipulation. They argue the agency is helping to create a safer and more trustworthy environment for investors. In the meantime, cryptocurrency investors will be watching the situation closely, eager to see how it develops and what impact it may have on the wider industry. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching Bitcoin.